안녕하세요. 까르보승엽입니다. 제가 이번에 쿠알라룸푸르에서 다시 한국으로 돌아가는데 공항에 이렇게 피아노가 있더라고요. 이렇게 그래서 여기서 약간 어그로를 좀 끌어보면 어떨까, 한국 음대생의 패기를 약간 보여주는 그런 느낌? 증명해야겠다. Terima kasih. Thank you. How was it? How was it? Good? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How was it? Good? Great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm back to Seoul, Korea. Yeah.
Are you piano student?
Yeah, I'm a pianist and university student.
University.
Yeah. I recording a video for traveling.
Oh, travel. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. How can you do that?
Just my major is piano, classic
My
piano.
major is piano.
Yeah, my major is classic
Are
piano.
you end your study?
Oh no, not
No?
yet.
Not
Yeah,
yet.
just studying now.
Just
Yeah.
studying.
Yeah,
In your holiday?
yeah, just my holiday. Yeah.
How long time have you traveled?
2 months, just 2 months. Yeah.
You have so long time.
Yeah,
holiday?
I'm from Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia.
Okay.
So that's why I couldn't practicing well.
Yeah. Not every airport has piano, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Just here.
Yeah.
You find it.
yeah, I found that. Yeah, so improve.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
It's enjoyment.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you. Bye bye. Okay, okay, good. Yeah. Thank you. 대박? 대박. Good? It was good. Thank you. Thank you.
You pass.
Thank you. Thank you. Pass. Oh, thank you. Okay, I came back to Korea. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih. Yeah, YouTuber. Yeah. Subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, Carbo Traveler. CARBO. Okay. Instagram.
Instagram.
Okay, Instagram is. Instagram.
Okay.
Phone number. Yeah, you can keep in touch in my Instagram.
Shy 755.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
이따 가서 한 번 더 칠까? 재밌네. 심심해서. 여기 있는 사람들의 마음을 다 녹였다. 이제 마음 편하게 한국을 갈 수 있을 것 같네요. 여심을 다 녹여버렸어. 한국에서 뵙겠습니다.